Hey traders, now if you're an equities day trader and you're looking to get funded by a professional prop firm, then I've got a perfect one for you. Now before we actually jump in and actually have an interview with the head of Trade the Pool, Katz, we're actually going to go into the website and show you the different options you have for funding if you are an equities day trader. So join me while we jump straight in. Brilliant guys, so here is the Trade the Pool website. You can find the URL in the description below, but basically you show us your skills, trade our capital, and you keep the profits. Basically, for you to get a funded account with Trade the Pool, all you need to do is go through our evaluation phase. Once past your evaluation phase, then you will actually have a real account that you'll be able to start taking profits from, and you can start growing to an unlimited amount. Now we're going to go through right now, and we're going to talk about just the 3 different types of funding that you have. So super buying power, extra buying power, and the unlimited buying power. Basically, you have the fee here that will actually allow you to go and start the evaluation. And the difference between Trade the Pool and many other prop firms is that we give you a daily loss allowance. It's basically an allocation to the pool, and that's the maximum you can lose in that day. Now, with that daily loss, we actually give you 100 times the buying power. So for instance, on the unlimited buying power, you have a daily loss of 200. You basically have $280,000 that you can actually start buying and trading stocks with. Now, for you to pass and get the funded account, all you need to do is make 6 times your daily loss in profits, and then you will actually be funded and you can start withdrawing profits from your funded account. Your profit split here, you actually keep most of the profits, so 65-35 in your favor. So we basically have you to trade for us, and you actually keep most of the profit. Now the difference with Trade the Pool and trading your own account, you actually now have the money where you can day trade. A lot of traders that are looking to day trade stocks, you need a lot of money to actually even start. With Trade the Pool, you do not have any of those rules. So you can actually start by as little as $240, and you can start day trading stocks on a regular basis. With that, you get more than 100 times your buying power, and you get to withdraw profits on a bi-weekly basis. Now, before we jump into that interview with Michael, you can actually go onto the website and you can sign up for a 14-day free trial where you get to actually have a look at the trading platform. You get to start day trading stocks. You can see how it works, and then you can make the decision if you want to go towards the evaluation. So let's go and speak to Michael and see what he has to say about Trade the Pool. Hi guys, so I'm with Michael Katz, the CEO of Trade the Pool.
Hey guys.
So we're just going to ask him a couple of questions just so we can get to understand what Trade the Pool is and why it's beneficial for you as a stock day trader. Yeah. So Michael, tell us a little bit about Trade the Pool and why it's good for stock day traders.
Yeah, so I mean, we obviously launched Trade the Pool in order to provide day traders, stock day traders, the opportunity to trade the US market with as little as $240 or $300. Because, you know, as a day trader, especially in the US, you need at least $25,000 in your bank account, in your broker account.
To even open up a day trader.
To start trading, right? So basically what we did is eliminate that, giving you the opportunity to trade our funds with, as I said, as little as $240, $300.
So how does somebody go about getting funded from Trade the Pool?
Right, so the process is pretty simple. You just go through the evaluation phase, the program that we created for you. Mm-hmm. As soon as you reach your target and not hitting your maximum drawdown, you basically get funded and you start trading on our capital. Mm-hmm. Now, for example, on the smallest level, the tier, the first tier, you can be exposed up to $80,000.
Yeah.
So that's amazing.
Crazy, for a day trader. Crazy amounts of leverage.
And you can go all the way up to $260,000.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Amazing. So guys, go to Trade the Pool. If you're a stock day trader, then definitely check it out. And there's a 14-day trial.
Yeah. Check it out.
14-day trial. So go into the link below in the description and start your trial, and we'll see you there.
Take care. Good luck.